Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in your PC. This is pretty simple. You have to click on your keyboard, Windows, Shift and S button. And then if you want to capture a full screen screenshot, then you have to select this option. Or if you want to select only a specific part of your monitor, then you have to select this option and you have to choose like this way. Okay, after selecting any screenshot will be captured, and then you have to click on here and you have to click on here to save this screenshot. So I am saving it and that's it. You can make some changes by editing here also, and then you can save it again by a name here, and you can click on save button again. So that's all how you can capture a screenshot by specific part. And now I'm showing how to capture a screenshot of a full screen by selecting this, and then you can see that I already captured a full screen of my screenshot. Okay, so then you have to click again on save button to save it, and that's it. You can find it in the folder named picture, and you will see all the screenshot here that you have captured. So that's all about today's video, how you can take a screenshot in your PC. Thank you for watching.